coming here, I had an expectation we're gonna make a robot, have fun with it, and see how it works. But I realized first to make a robot, we first have to know the basics on how it works.
Yes, I also thought like, yeah, this is robotics. Like I need to take stuff and build. This is robotics, but first we need to learn the basics. That's true.
So first, making a robot, we have to know simple things like what artificial intelligence is, sensors, all the basic stuff. But because of the hobby.co kit, we are able to make a robot using some small building blocks called elements, hobby elements, like a light, darkness, all sensors which can help us make a magnificent robot.
I got play, create, perform.
I'm a player.
Hi, I'm Prashant from hobby.co, and it was a fantastic experience here today at Sciknowtech. We had our creativity party happening at Sciknowtech. All the kids were wonderful. They were so curious and creative throughout the discussion, highly energetic, and it seems like Mega Ma'am has been doing a fantastic job with the kids at Sciknowtech. Thank you.